If you're tired of paying for Office software, LibreOffice might be exactly what you've been looking for. It's completely free, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get it downloaded and installed on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser, whichever one you prefer, it does not matter. Once your browser is open, click on the search bar at the top, type in LibreOffice, and go ahead and press enter. Now, from the search results that appear, you are going to look for the first result coming from LibreOffice.org, that is the official source, so make sure you are clicking on that one specifically. This will redirect you straight to the official LibreOffice website. Now, to get the installer, look up at the navigation menu at the top of the page and click on Download. A drop-down menu will appear. Go ahead and select Download LibreOffice from that menu. This will take you to the download page. Now, here is something worth paying attention to. When you click on the operating system drop-down, you will see several options available depending on your system. However, since I am running Windows 10, the website has already automatically detected my operating system. So, I am simply going to click on this download button right here. The installer should begin downloading automatically, but just in case it does not start on its own, there will be a link on the page that you can click to force the download manually. Now, depending on your internet speed, this download may take a little while. So just be patient, let it do its thing, and wait until the download is fully complete before moving on. Once the download is finished, go ahead and navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the installer file. Now, double-click on the installer to launch the installation wizard. When this welcome screen appears, simply click Next to proceed. The next screen will present you with a setup type selection. You will have a few options here, but I am going to keep it on Typical, which is the recommended option for most users, and then click Next. On the following screen, you will see a couple of additional options. If you would like a desktop shortcut to be created during installation, make sure that checkbox is checked. The Startup option is there if you need it, but I will be leaving that unchecked for now. Once you have made your selections, go ahead and click Install. A dialog box may appear asking you to close any open applications, or simply leave them open and reboot later to finish the setup. I will select the second option and click OK. And now, the installation process begins. This may take a few minutes depending on your system, so just sit back, be patient, and let the installer do its thing. Once the installation is complete, you will notice that the LibreOffice shortcut has been added to your desktop. So, go ahead and click Finish to close the installation wizard. Now, as you can see here, the system is prompting us that a computer restart is required to finish the setup. Go ahead and click Yes to restart your machine. Once your computer has restarted and you are back on the desktop, it is time to open LibreOffice. You have two easy ways to do this. You can either double-click on the desktop shortcut that was just created, or you can click on the Windows search bar, type in LibreOffice, and then click on it from the search results. And just like that, LibreOffice is open and ready to go. As you can see right here, you have access to a full suite of tools: Writer for documents, CALC for spreadsheets, Impress for presentations, and more. So there you have it, a complete, clean installation of LibreOffice on Windows 10, done in just a matter of minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.